A 4-month-old boy developed breathing problem on board a Patna-bound flight and died at the Hyderabad airport on Tuesday, police said. The baby was traveling with his parents from Bengaluru in an IndiGo flight when he developed breathing problem, they said. The airline said the crew of the flight 6C-897 decided to divert it to Hyderabad and requested for an ambulance and a doctor at the airport. On landing, the boy was rushed to a private hospital where the doctors declared him brought dead, the police said. The police registered a case under Section 174 of the CRPC. Sources at the airport told PTE that the flight was diverted to the Hyderabad airport at around 7:30 am. An IndiGo flight 6C-897 operating from Bangalore to Patna was diverted to Hyderabad due to a medical case this morning. The crew along with a doctor on board attended to an infant. After landing, the infant was immediately rushed to the hospital accompanied by an IndiGo staff member. Unfortunately, the infant died, the statement said. The airline expressed its condolences over the infant's death.